What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Zorin OS on your PC and completely remove Windows 11. This is a full step-by-step guide for beginners, so even if you've never installed Linux before, just follow along and you'll be fine. Before we start, remember, installing Zorin OS will erase Windows 11 and all your files, so make sure you back up your data first. Let's get started. Download Zorin OS. Open your web browser and go to the official Zorin OS website. From here, download Zorin OS Core, which is the free and recommended version for most users. Once the download starts, wait for the ISO file to finish downloading. This file is usually around 2 to 3 gigabytes. Step 3. Insert USB drive. Now, plug in a USB flash drive into your PC. Make sure it's at least 8 gigabytes and that there's nothing important on it because this USB will be completely erased. Step 4. Download Balena Etcher. Next, go to the Balena Etcher website and download Balena Etcher for Windows. Install it and then open the program. Step 5. Create Bootable USB. Inside Balena Etcher, click on Flash from File and select the Zorin OS ISO file you downloaded. Then click on Select Target and choose your USB flash drive. After that, click Flash and wait for Balena Etcher to create the bootable USB. Once it's done, safely eject the USB drive. Step 6. Restart PC. Now, leave the USB drive plugged in and restart your computer. Step 7. Open Boot Menu or BIOS. As your PC is starting up, repeatedly press your boot key. On most PCs, this is F12, F10, F9, Escape, or Delete. This will open the boot menu or BIOS settings. Step 8. Select Zorin USB. From the boot menu, select your USB drive. It may show as USB, UEFI USB, or the brand name of your flash drive. Press Enter to boot from the USB. Step 9. Start Zorin OS installer. Once Zorin OS loads, you'll see two options. Click on Install Zorin OS to begin the installation. Step 10. Language and keyboard. Choose your preferred language, then select your keyboard layout, test it in the box, and click Continue again. Step 11. Internet connection. If you're prompted, connect to your Wi-Fi network. This helps Zorin download updates and drivers during the installation. Step 12. Updates and third-party software. On this screen, check the boxes to download updates while installing and to install third-party software for graphics, Wi-Fi, and media formats. Then click Continue. Step 13. Erase Windows 11. Now this is the most important part. Select Erase Disk and install Zorin OS. This option will completely remove Windows 11 and replace it with Zorin OS. Click Install Now, then confirm by clicking Continue. Step 14. Time Zone. Choose your time zone by clicking on the map or typing your city. Then click Continue. Step 15. Create User Account. Now enter your name, computer name, username, and password. Choose whether you want to log in automatically or require a password. Then click Continue. Step 16. Installation process. Zorin OS will now begin installing. This can take anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes depending on your PC. Just let it finish and don't turn off your computer. Step 17. Restart and remove USB. When the installation is complete, click Restart Now. When you're prompted, remove the USB drive and press Enter. Step 18. First boot into Zorin OS. Your PC will now boot into Zorin OS. Log in using the username and password you created. Complete the welcome setup and you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully installed Zorin OS and removed Windows 11. If you're new to Zorin OS, you might also want to check out my other tutorial on how to install Windows alternative programs on Zorin OS, including Office apps, photo editing software, and other must-have tools. That video will help you get fully set up and productive on Linux. I'll leave a link to that tutorial in the description and in the pinned comment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Linux and tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you run into any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.